Hey, what's up, you guys? Like I said, after my collection, I'm gonna make a review after this video, and of the Leatherman Blast. I'll just start with it. The first thing is the centimeters and inches. It just starts flat with the centimeters, but then again, it goes like this. 1 inch. Well, it's about 3.5 inches. And then centimeters. It's about 13.5. It's like 13 inches. Yeah, 13 centimeters. Sorry. Now let's start with the utilities. Comes with pliers. Comes with scissors, a screwdriver, can opener, finger file, saw blade. This is a mean sucker right here. Little bitty screwdriver. Phillips screwdriver. That's it. Flat head screwdriver. And the blade itself. Now this blade is a mean sucker right here. I love this blade. It's very nice. Really like it. It's kind of big. I'm not sure how big it is, but I'll measure it. And I'm gonna get my ruler right now. Let's see how big it is. Let's start with centimeters. The blade is an official 8 centimeters in inches. It's about, this side, it's about, I'd say 3.5. Very nice blade, pretty big actually. And this saw, it's mean, real mean. Put down every one of these on this side. And to unlock the blade, just press this. It goes down. Careful not to cut yourself though. Finger file, of course. The can opener. That's from this one. And a bottle. I don't even think there's a bottle opener in here. No, there's not. Pretty much sucks, but yeah, it's not bad. I'm sorry they're not a little too close. Sorry. The screwdriver is very nice. The scissors. Sorry if you can hear me talking right there. Wait, hold on. Jay! That was me telling my brother about the paper, because I'm going to cut some paper right now. Show you how sharp these things are. First, with the scissors. A little sticker turn on it. I drew it. Sticker turn. Not bad. Pretty cool. Pretty good. Alright. No other blades in here, is there? Nope. Now the mother of them. great. It was I thought. I just thought this blade sucks. Just kidding. It's not bad. Just cut this thing in half. I need a cardboard with me because this paper's too ugly. Well, after all, the blade's not all that cool. But it's handy. Ow. Hold on. I'm done. Bye. Peace.